on, let's all welcome the one and only Sparrow Kizuna, Lalachan! Hi everyone! Welcome to Kizuna Ligas. Again, let's follow Lalachan. Come on everybody! Say hi! Alright, let's dance! Alright, very good Lalachan. Yung mga nasa ballpoint area, let's follow Lalachan, Narikiri, and trampoline area. Hello everyone, and let's follow Lalachan for our activity this afternoon. Again, say hi Lala! Ayun, sunod na natin si Lalachan. Come on everybody! Everyone is invited to join us. Ayan, Lalachan, i-invite mo silang lahat. So, dapat lahat ng kids nandito na in 10, 9, 8, ayan, follow kayo kay Lalachan. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright, raise your hands everyone and shake. Shake lang hands kung naririnig si Kuya Ron, please. Ayan, Lalachan, naririnig nila tayo. Ayan, we are waiting for more. Ayan, lahat po ng kids, pwede po kayong sumali ngayon lamang po si Lalachan lalabas. Okay? Now, touch your head. Touch your head. Touch your shoulders. Head. Knees. Where's the knees? Very good. And raise your hands. Now, arms down. So once again, good afternoon. Before we start, I am requesting all the guardians to please stay outside of our event area so we can maximize the space. Alright? Thank you so much. Kids, when I say hi, you will say hello. Hi! Ayan, parang mahina. Isa pa. Hi! Alright, very good. So once again, good afternoon. Magpapakilala muna kami ng Lalachan. We are the event team of Kizuna Legazpi. My name is Kuya Ron, together with Ate Da, Ate Bal, and of course, our very own, the 5 years old pink squirrel from Japan, Lalachan! Say hi, Lalachan! Ayun, hi, Lalachan! Okay, Lalachan, anong gusto mong gawin ngayong araw? Ayan, mag-play talaga tayo, Lalachan. Okay? Wait lang muna tayo, no? So, first muna natin ang gagawin. Mag-warm-up dance muna tayo bago tayo mag-play, okay? Lalachan, turuan natin sila. Ayan, anong unang step, Lala? Shake your body up and down, okay? Up and down. Very good. Next, Lala, is yung kamay up and down, left and right, okay? And then, roll your hand. Ayan, sa taas po, left and right ulit. Naintindihan na po si Lalachan? Naintindihan po ba si Lalachan? Opo. Okay, Lalachan, get ready to dance in 3, 2, 1. Okay, stop and wiggle your body. Okay, down. Very good. Last one. And get ready to stop. Now let's turn around. Ayan, ikot. And up and down. Very good. Other side. You can do it with your friends. One more. You can do it all alone. Now let's roll our hands. Very good. If you wanna do the pretty wiggle with pointers up. Hooray! Okay, palampakan naman natin ang ating mga kids. Ang gagaling naman. Now please, sit down. Sit down tayo. So our game for today, Lala, is... Yan, very good. That is tug of war. So sa tug of war, gagamit po tayo ng rope. Ano pong gagamitin? Ano po ito? Ano po ito? Rope. Ayan, dito sa rope natin, meron pong color pink na marker. Anong color po ng marker? Pink. Very good. And then, syempre, ang gagawin natin, hahawak muna tayo sa ulo natin. Touch your head. And touch your shoulder. And I will count 3, 2, 1, and pull! Ganyan po ang ating gagawin. So, dapat malakas tayo mag-pull. Pag napunta sa team ninyo ang ating partner, meron kayo 1 point. Ilang points na po? 1 point. Pero meron tayong 3 rounds. Kung sino ang maunang maka 2 points, siya po ang panalo. Naintindihan ko? Naintindihan po ba? Opo, Lala-chan, yes? Okay, Lala. Very good. Thank you so much, Lala-chan. So, before we start, meron muna tayong safety reminders. So, ang first natin, no pushing. This time, no jumping. And then third is, hold the rope firmly and pull harder as you can. And then lastly, syempre, let's enjoy the game. Manalo matalo, lahat po tayo ay panalo dito sa Kids Zone. Naintindihan po ba? Apa, okay, now please stand up and make 2 lines in 10, 9, 8, Lala, sige Lala, i-cheer natin sila. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, now stand up, 2, and 1. Now arms forward, Lala, siya ipakita mo nga sa kanila kung paano mag-arms forward. Ayun, once again, lahat po ng kids ay pwede pong sumali dito. Okay, arms forward please. Ayan, dito tayo sa Team B, Lala. Team B natin. Team B, sabihin natin, go Team B! Go Team B! Sabay-sabay, okay? In 3, 2, 1.
Go Team B!
Very good, Team B. Ayan, dito naman tayo sa Team A. Now, Team A, let's say, go Team A! Go Team A! Sabay-sabay in 3, 2, 1.
Go Team A! Go Team A!
Very good, everyone. So, Lala-chan, ready na silang lahat? Now, let's transfer up the ball to the area. Sigaw natin ang group natin. Go Team A! Go Team B! Lala, be careful, Lala-chan! Ayan, Lala. Be careful! Ayan, kaya-kaya niya ni Lala-chan kasi Lala-chan ay very strong girl. Go Team A! Go Team B! Go Team A! Go Team B! Gusto makikiraan. Ayan, isigaw natin. Go Team A! Go Team B! Go Team A! Ayan, Team A, dito tayo sa right side. And then, dito tayo sa left side, Team B. Okay? Okay, everybody get ready. Touch your head. Touch your head. Shoulder. Head, ulit. Shoulder. And arms forward. Arms forward, arms forward, arms forward, please. Bitawan muna natin yung rope. Okay, very good. Okay, thank you so much. Team A, are you ready? Ayan, ready na ang Team A natin. Nasaan po yung mga guardians ng Team A natin? Ayan, meron doon. Bigyan natin sila ng pang-cheer. Ayan, bigyan po natin sila Ate Bal at Ate Da ng pang-cheer. Ayan, nasa na po ulit yung Team A. Taas nga po ang kamay. Team A. Team A, taas ang kamay, Team A. Very good. Yung guardians naman ng Team B, nasaan po? May guardians po ang Team B. Meron. Siyempre, napaka-supportive naman ng ating mga parents. So now, touch your head. Touch your shoulder. Are you ready, Team A? Yes, Lala, ready na sila. Ready ka na ba, Lala? Yes. Team B, are you ready? Yes, ready na. Guardians, are you ready? Yes, let's start round 1 in 3, 2, 1, go! Pull! 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1! Okay, hands up! Taas ang kamay natin. Very good. And shake, shake, shake. Shake your hands, everyone. Shake, 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 shake. Shake your hands. Ayan, very good. So, sa round 1, ang nanalo ay Team A. You got 1 point. Very good. Ayan. Touch your head. Head. Touch your head. Touch your shoulder. Very good. Team A, are you ready? Yes. Okay. Team B. Ayan, i-cheer natin sila mga guardians. Ang ating Team B. Team B, are you ready? Parang hindi pa ready, Lala, ang Team B. Team B, are you ready? Yes. Guardians, are you ready? Yes. So let's start round 2 in 3, 2, 1, go! Go, pull. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, hands up and shake your hands. Shake, 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 shake. Very good. Ayan, ang nanalo po sa ating round 2 ay Team B. Congratulations. You also have 1 point. Very good. So now, this is the last round. Kung sino ang manalo sa round na to, ay siya na ang panalo. So touch your head. Touch your head, everyone. Touch your head, touch your head, touch your head. Team A, are you ready? Touch your head. Release the rope. Team B, are you ready? Ayan, ready now. Guardians, are you ready? Yes, okay, let's start. Round 3 in 3, 2, 1, go! Pull! 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1! Yay! Hands up and shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Okay, ang nanalo sa game natin na tug of war ay Team B! Yay! Congratulations kayo ang nanalo sa game natin. Kaya makakatanggap kayo ng giveaways. Pero don't worry Team A kasi lahat tayo dito sa Kids Zone na ay panalo. Okay, hands up please. Hands up and shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Very good. Dahil ang nanalo ay Team B, bibigyan po natin sila ng 5 claps. Okay, at sasabihin natin, very good. Sabay-sabay tayo in 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Okay, dito sa kabilang Lala. Now, Team B, very good. Bibigyan natin sila ng 3 claps at sasabihin natin, good job. Okay, sabay-sabay tayo in 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Okay, Lalats, balik na tayo sa ating event area. And then kids, quarter line please, arms forward. Ayan, babalik tayo sa ating event area. Para sa isang surprise, kasama si Lalats. Okay, hinintayin natin kayo dito sa ating event area. Lalats, nag-enjoy ka ba, Lala? Yes! Ayan, kids. Okay, dito tayo sa ating event area. Please move forward ng konti. A little bit, please. Very good. Touch your head ulit. Shoulder. Toes. Raise the toes. Very good. Shoulder. And hands up. Get ready for our final dance. Love is a treasure from Lalachan. No, Lalachan, ready ka na ba? Yes, ready na si Lalachan. Kayo kids, ready na ba kayo? Opo. So now, please, hands up. Okay, slowly up. And slowly down. Get ready to jump. 3, 2, 1. Jump, jump, jump. And march, march, march. Down, down, and march, march, march. One more. Very good. Okay, side to side. Get ready to shake your head. Okay, shake, shake, shake. Make away. To the other side. Now touch your shoulder. Touch your head. And drop. Good, and wave, wave, wave. Circle. Make a finish. ready to jump in 3, 2, 1, jump! Ayun, palakpakan naman natin ang ating mga kids. Now, please sit down. Lalasyan. Nasa na lalasyan ang surprise mo para sa ating mga kids. Ayun, nandito na. Yung open natin ang kanyang bus, pero sasabihin natin, 3, 2, 1, and we will shout, surprise! Ayan, sabay-sabay tayo. 3, 2, surprise! Ayan, try bigyan na natin sila ng kanilang mga giveaway. Pag nakakuha na tayo, balik tayo dito sa event area kay Lalasyan. Okay, tabi tayo dito kay Lalasyan for our picture. Ayan, please sit down tayo. Sit down, raise your balloons, When I say Kidzuna, everybody will shout, hooray! At i-wave yung balloon. Okay? Practice na tayo. Kidzuna! Hooray! Ayan, dapat malakas po. Okay? Ayan, mga guardians, sa gitna tayo para mas maganda po ang kuha natin. Kids! Kidzuna! Hooray! Ito pa! Kidzuna! Alright, very good. Smile po. Okay, come here, Lala Chan. Come here, Lala. It's time for your message. Ayun, Lala, anong gusto mong sabihin? Okay, nag-enjoy ba kayo? Opo, kasi si Lala Chan nag-enjoy din. Gusto niyo ba mag-birthday kasama si Lala Chan? Opo, narinig naman natin, Mami and Daddies. That's why we are inviting you to book a birthday party here at Kidzuna. Pag gusto po ninyo magka-book, kausapin lamang po ang mga friendly staff dito sa Kidzuna Legazpi. Okay, kids, it's time for Lala Chan to say goodbye kasi meron po siyang birthday party na pupusahan mamaya. So let's say, bye Lala Chan! Ayan, see you again tomorrow at 3:15 in the afternoon. Bye-bye po! Thank you so much for joining us today. Bye, Lala! Yung mga gusto mo pa picture sa trampoline area na lamang po.